do you just give gifts away because you love it, because you want your people, your clients to feel special? Do you give gifts? Do you give samples? Do you give discounts because you want them to see that your business is different than others? Okay. So I used to, in one of my businesses, give samples because I wanted to, show people like, wow, I work with Erika and look at the goodies that she gives me. Okay. And then one day, I don't remember what was happening, but I was like, man, I give away a lot of stuff. I don't know if they appreciate it. I don't know if they look at it. I don't know if they try it. Okay. So then after that, I decided there will be no more giving away stuff unless I know that the person is interested in it, has said yes, that they want to try this out. And if they said that, it goes in this folder, their name. I have a special card, and it doesn't leave there until they gave me their opinion. Why? I'm a businesswoman. Every sample, every paper clip, every fancy pen, I paid for, right? Okay, so I made that shift. It made me a lot more money because it's a lot easier to follow up with someone when they said they wanted to try something. So if you are giving out samples or if you are giving free gifts with purchase, are you tracking it? Are you keeping track of what you've given away for free? And is it worth your while? So what I did was I tracked when I changed my program to full-size free gifts. Okay, so I tracked it for 1 year. And now I can't remember because I'm dyslexic. It was either 89% or 98% of the people who got the gift for free, okay, with a $70 purchase, reordered again. I tracked it, so I know. Okay, so I want you to think about that in your business. If you're just giving away stuff to give it away, are they working toward it? So if you were to go to the mall, right, Clinique or any of those places, or even like in the men's department, sometimes like in Macy's or when Lord & Taylor's around, so it was like a Ralph Lauren purchase. If you spent this much, you get like a tote bag in the men's department, remember? So people spent more money to get a free gift. I'll say, hey, just a reminder, you're a blank away from a free full-size product. Did you want to add anything? You're running low on anything else. And you'd be surprised. The people will make a big jump. Sometimes someone will spend $20 when they only needed to spend $2. And of course, when they're super close, like $2, I do hesitate and I think, oh, I should just give it to them. And then I say, no. Macy's wouldn't do that, so Erika shouldn't be doing that.